afternoon to everyone. My name is Renne Sutton, and I ask you for a moment to think about being in a museum, seeing a piece of art, a masterpiece, a one-of-a-kind, no one else like it. Keep that vision in your head with me for a moment, and let me tell you a story of a 17-year-old young girl who got pregnant and had to drop out of high school. Shortly after, got married and had a second child. Now, when my oldest daughter, Deneen, turned 4, I was going to be a great mom. I was going to put my 4-year-old daughter in a Head Start program so that she could get started with her education. Not knowing that Head Start was not only for the child, but for the parent. So I enrolled her. And after enrolling her, there was these workers constantly at me to come to a meeting. I wasn't going to no meeting. I wasn't going to let nobody show me up. I didn't know what these people knew. I wasn't going to sit in a room with them. So I always had an excuse. And one day, this worker, Velma Mills, caught me off guard, asked me what was my favorite dish to cook, and next thing I knew, I was taking that dish to the meeting. That was the breaking point of my life. Sitting in that meeting, I realized I was as good as anybody else. Went back to school, got my GED, got my bachelor's degree, and guess what? Today, I am the executive director of that program, servicing 400 and more children and families. I realized that I was a masterpiece. Somebody had to help me get there. My journey is to help other people realize that they are a masterpiece by respecting them for who they are and letting them be who they can be. Won't you be a tool to help someone else be a masterpiece and know what they can accomplish in life? Thank you.